another recipe, and this recipe is what I call my peach pie. Yes, I do peach cobblers, and we do peach pie as well. With crust, I like the taste in the crust better. You're going to need a cup of sugar. Depends on how sweet you want it. You're going to need nutmeg. You're going to need lemon. Now you can use either cinnamon if you want instead of nutmeg. You can use vanilla instead of lemon. You can use that. Now you're going to need butter, you're going to need a stick of butter. You need 1 fat can of peaches. I think that's 32 ounces. And then you're going to need an egg, a beaten egg to coat it on top when you put it in the oven. You're going to need cornstarch and flour. Yes, you're going to need those two. And you're going to need some more scripts, because we're going to script it, y'all. Instead of put it on just a whole, we're going to script it. So what we're going to do first is going to add the sugar. We're going to add the sugar. Now you can put brown sugar in if you want to. It's fine. If you want brown sugar, you use brown sugar. Brown sugar makes it so caramely-like if you want brown sugar in yours. So I'm just putting the sugar. Now drain your peaches real good. Now take that extra peach juice like that. You're going to just put it in the freezer. Or you can make some syrup with it, some sauce with it. So don't throw it away. Just freeze it. Okay, what we're going to do now is blend all the sugar together. Make sure that it's all blended. And we're going to add the flour and the cornstarch. This recipe is going to be on soulfoodqueen.net, so you know how to do this recipe. Okay, we got it all together like this, blended together. If you notice, I always like using spoons like this. I mean, you know, when we was growing up, we didn't have the big old spoons and big old fancy stuff. We just use what we can get, you know. Okay, now we got this all blended, so make sure it's blended together, because that's going to be the thickening. Then we're going to add nutmeg. Now you put as much as you want. You can use a cinnamon or whatever. You can use what you want. And we're going to stir this together. Just like that. I love the smell of nutmeg. Okay, we got this together like that. And we're going to add some lemon extract. Now you use the vanilla if you want, but I like lemon in my peach pie. Yes, indeed. Then we got this all together. We're going to add the butter. A stick of butter goes in there like that, y'all. We got it all blended together here. And I think this is our pie here, y'all. We'll blend it all together. Make sure it's all incorporated. Like that. Just like that. Now, we're going to get it all together. But now what I'm doing now is going to put it in this unbaked pie shell. A little flour on that, then put another one right here, y'all. Okay. It's so thin it comes loose. Okay, what we're going to do now, we're going to come back, put one right here, and we're going to do the inside. We're going to do the inside real quick, okay? Be right back. All right, I did the lattice work off the camera because it's teasers. But all you have to do is put one across, put one underneath, on the cross, underneath, on the cross, underneath. Now down at this end right here is not as even like I want it to, but hey, this is it, y'all. So what I'm gonna do is put some egg wash on it, just to make sure that it's turned golden brown, and the egg wash will just wash right off. I mean, will bake before we slice it. It smells wonderful. It smells delicious.